Hey, welcome to episode 6 of Can't I Cook in My Car? And today I'm going to switch it up a little bit and we are going from cooking to baking. Yes, I have visitors coming in for the weekend and my car needs to not smell like meat or fish or something else. So we're going to bake some good stuff here. So what do we got? Alright, we got Pillsbury cookie dough. Eat or bake, so even if this is raw, I should be good. Cooking instructions: 350 or 325 for non-stick, 2 inches apart. Yep, forget that. 10 to 15 minutes. All right, I think I'm gonna put all these bad boys on here. Let's see if I can get it open. We got the 24 count. I can share it with my coworkers. Oh yeah, we're just putting them all here. Here we go. They're still sticky. Hour drive into work this morning and accident at a major intersection. Made the trip a little longer this morning. So these have defrosted a little bit more. But they're still cold. Alright, put that there. We're not doing the 2-inch thing. We're gonna do like a 4x6 deal. Something like that. Let's see, 4 times 6 is 24, right folks? Simple math. They got all that goofy math now they're teaching our kids. I'm just going to cut these apart once they bake, if they bake, because they're going to taste the same. And I have limited room on my baking shelf on my car. It is definitely not designed for what I'm doing. All right, I'm going to straighten these out a little bit more. I'll be right back. Oh, still got that dang sun glare. All right, well, we'll see if I get sick. All right. Got them all laid out here. Going to put them up on the dashboard. Probably gonna come out more like a cookie bar, but that's okay. Hopefully we got some cookies by lunchtime or the end of the day. I'm gonna come out at probably 10 o'clock, give them a quick check, and then come out again at lunchtime and just see how they're doing throughout the day. Got the thermometer right there. We're let's see, we're at 92 already. So it's heating up. All right, baking chocolate chip cookies. All right, I'm going to do a quick 10 o'clock check on the cookies here. All right, temperature is, looks like we're about 112. And the cookies are just spreading out a little bit. It's gonna be a while. It is 12:45 and I'm gonna check on the cookies. I just had my lunch, so was hoping that maybe, just maybe, I might have some dessert out here waiting on me. So let's peek in through the window first. Well, I don't think they're ready. Definitely not. They're kind of mushy looking. Let's check out the temperature in here. I don't know if I can see it. At least maybe smell Do we get the smell of fresh baked cookies? Yep, they're pretty sloppy looking. We got about 180 degrees. This is, oh, yep, I can smell the chocolate chip cookies here. All right, I think this is gonna be a wait and see at the end of the work day, and may or may not happen. All right, it is 5 o'clock and I'm checking on the cookies. Swinging around here. Okay, they look kind of melty. Let's check them out. Oh, what's our temp? Temp is down to about 125-ish. And the cookies, zoom out here. They're hard. I believe, a little soft in the middle. Let's put them on the tailgate or in the trunk here and get them up with a spatula and see what they look like. Okay, spatula. Well, they are a little melty there. Got way too many of them here. All right, they're melting in there. Let's try one. All right. Let's see. Yep, I think those will work. All right. That's a wrap for this episode. What is it? Episode 6? Episode 6. I need milk. Episode 6 of chocolate chip cookies, right? Okay. We'll see ya. Wanted to do a little quick recap on the chocolate chip cookies. They were out here for 9 hours approximately. The top got hard on them, but the inside and the bottoms were still gooey and undercooked. If there was a way to maybe flip them over during the day, maybe early afternoon, and let the bottoms get kind of cooked up a little bit, they'd probably be a little bit better, but I have a feeling they would still be a little gooey on the inside. Thought maybe the pan would heat up the bottom a little bit, but it didn't seem to do that and cook the bottom of the cookies. So is what it is. I had a couple. Some coworkers had a couple. Hopefully we're all good. It says you can't eat it raw, but hey, that's always your decision. Okay, wrapping this up. See ya.